Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to cancel a transaction on Sendwave. And this is gonna be step by step, okay? So, first things first, of course, you wanna go ahead and launch the Sendwave app on your phone and just log in using your registered details. And once inside, you wanna go ahead and tap on the menu or look for the transaction history section. Here, you'll be able to see all your recent transactions, okay? Then you just need to track your transaction status. So find the transaction you want to go ahead and cancel and check its status. If it's still pending, then you may be able to cancel it. However, if it's already marked as completed or processed, you might not be able to reverse it. Okay? So after this, you just cancel the transaction, right? If the option is still available, just go ahead and tap on the cancel button next to the transaction and just confirm the cancellation, and your funds should be refunded back to your payment method shortly, right? And if needed, you can go ahead and also contact Sendwave support. Basically, if you don't see a cancel option or if the transaction has already gone through, that's your best bet, okay? Just go ahead and contact Sendwave's customer support immediately, and you can reach them via the in-app chat or email support. You can just go ahead and check the website for the contact, or you can go ahead and use the phone support if it's available in your region. And that's it, guys. If your transaction is successfully canceled, your refund will be processed based on Sendwave's refund policies. So I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you guys in the next one.